अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our second lecture of Basics of Electrical Engineering, and this is our YouTube channel Fizan Zahid's Academy. So today is our topic, types of electric current. So how many types of electric current? There are two different types of electric current: alternating current, direct current. However, at another place it is also said that it can be classified into three different types. The third one type is varying current. So what is alternating current? Alternating current, this is the flow of charges that periodically changes its direction. This is the most commonly current used in our daily life, such as in our home we get the AC power supply. We can say that in our houses the current is used, that is AC current, alternating current. And usually the waveform for alternating current is sine wave. You can see here the graphical representation of the alternating current, and you can say that there is a sinusoidal waveform which is represented as the AC current. Now the applications and uses of alternating current. It is widely used in the transportation industries and industries of electric power production, and it is used in our residences. As I discussed before, that in our home this current is mostly used, and in our industries such as electrical power generation, and we can say that for the distribution purpose and for the long distance transmission lines we use the alternating current, that is AC current. It is also more popular current when it comes to powering electric motors, a device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. So in electrical motors the AC current is also used. And alternating current is also used in biotechnology and computing chemistry. Biotechnology basically is the X-rays, we can say, and CBC reports, and the computing chemistry is NMR, mass spectrometry, gas chromatography, etc. So these are the basic applications of alternating current. Now what is the direct current? The second type of the current is the direct current, DC current. Direct current, basically it is the current or the flow of charge in one direction, that the current that flows in one direction. In DC source, electrons emit out from negative terminal, that is cathode, and move towards the positive terminal, that is anode of the battery. Most of the low power devices are used with the DC power. Low power devices means we can say that our mobile phones, our flashlights, laptops, those electronic devices that contains the battery, we use the DC current. It is graphically represented by the straight line. Now we can say there is the straight line. As we discussed in AC, there was a sine wave as the graphical representation, and now in DC it is graphically represented by the straight line. So this is the direct current. Now what are the applications of and uses of direct current? Direct current is used in electronic devices that contains a battery as a power source. As I discussed that in our laptops, our mobiles, the current is used, that is DC current. So the same thing is here as the applications of DC current. DC is also used in electrochemical process like smelting, which is heat produced for the extraction of pure metal from their ores like aluminum, iron and copper. It is commonly used in low voltage applications. the applications of low voltages, the most commonly current used is DC current. Now the third one is the varying current. What is varying current? The current whose magnitude changes with respect to time, or we can say the current changes its magnitude with time, that is varying current. Now this is the graphical representation of varying current. You can see the curve on the display. So this was our today's lecture, which is completed, alhamdulillah azza wa jal, and I hope that you all have cleared about the electric current and about its types. So now inshallah azza wa jal, in next lecture we will discuss our next terms that are used as the basic terms of electrical engineering. So for that upcoming lectures, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon, as you can receive our latest updates and notification from